I love chunky necklaces, and especially chunky stone pendants. And sometimes you have thick chain and you want to have an embellishment because the pattern is not there, and you want to bring that out. And one of the favorite things I like to do is to add silver on top. And what you can do is, here I've got 22 gauge wire, and what I do is I simply wrap around like this so that it doesn't come out, but I've got a little bit of a catch here. Then on the other side, I do a wire wrap like such so that you've got a loop, and then I switch over to flat pliers and I go around. Then I come down like such. I hold on to it, come down, and I bring it around this point. And sometimes I might bring it out a little bit so that catches properly. And I go around, then I crisscross like this. Now, you can do it twice around, but in this case, I've got 4 lengths, which I'm happy with. And what you could do, or you can do one more, but in this case, I think I'm happy with this. And I'm just going to wrap it around a few times like such. And this way, my loop is big enough for the chain to go through, and I'm happy with it. And I can adjust. You can adjust to do crisscross or the other way, straight up and down. And I trim and tuck in the wire like this. And so if I want to, I can wear it like this, or I can wear it this way, and it adds a bit of embellishment. You see, there's a big difference in the accent. And if I wanted to, I could also add a bead, asymmetrical bead on one side, all sorts of possibilities. And what I have here is 22 gauge wire, dead soft. You could use any sort of other wire you wish. If it's thin, then you can do it a few times over. But I like this. And to calculate how much you need, look at the length and know that the length of your bead, you're going to use at least one length for that you cannot see, and then maybe an 1.5 inches for your loop and the wire wrap, and that you can calculate backwards how much you need. There you have it.